Hello, welcome to ZK-SNARKs in Substrate video. The purpose of this video is to run and test a Substrate node with our ZK-SNARK palette. We are going to help Alice prove her knowledge about the solution for Bob math puzzle. More details about the ZK-SNARKs and the puzzle can be found in our cycle of articles. If you haven't read them, short reminder. Bob created a contest. He is a founder of the Bright Coders Union, and he has a few plays left in the union. Those who solve his math equation will be able to join it. Alice is one of his friends who knows the result. She is afraid to reveal it because others can claim the vacancy. That's why she created a ZK-SNARK proof. Bob can easily verify it, but he and others will never know the solution. That's why ZK-SNARKs are so powerful. The only information Bob can be certain of is Alice knows the right solution for his puzzle only if the proof verification succeeds. In this video, we will show how this process can be easily done on the blockchain. First, we need to start a Substrate node in the development mode, where the chain doesn't require any peer connections to finalize the blocks. By typing cargo run --dev, we are starting a Substrate node. Now we need an interface for the interacting with our blockchain. We are going to use a Polkadot.js app. If this is the first time you are using this app, please remember to change the configuration connected with our local Substrate node. You can do it by pressing on the local node. Now we will move to the Development tab and choose an Xstrings window. We are going to select our ZK-SNARK palette, which was added during the compilation of our node runtime. Our first goal is to set up a contest. This part should be done by Bob. That's why we are switching to his account. Now we need to upload public inputs and the verification key files. We can do it by turning on the upload file option. Files for the upload can be found in our repository. First, we will upload the inputs and then the verification key. By pressing on Submit Transaction button, we are uploading them to the blockchain. As you can see, the upload succeeds. Now we can move to the Alice. She is going to upload proof of her knowledge for the Bob math puzzle. First, we need to switch to her account. Then we need to select a Verify Xstring. Now we can upload her proof. Once again, we are pressing on the Submit Transaction button. As you can see, the verification succeeds. Now we can check if there is an event. As you can see, event was emitted and the verification succeeded. This blockchain event proves to Bob that Alice knows the right solution to his puzzle. That's all. Thank you very much.